In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent spam form submissions in Hubspot. If you're tired of junk leads clogging your database, this walkthrough will show you how to tighten your forms using built-in tools that don't require any code. Start by opening Hubspot. You can simply search for it in your browser and sign in with your account. Make sure you're using a login with permission to edit forms, since the settings will adjust live inside the form editor. From the main navigation, head to the marketing area, then choose Forms. This is where all your existing forms live. Pick the form that's getting the most unwanted submissions and click Edit to open it in the editor. You'll see your form layout in the center and configuration options in a sidebar. First, let's add a bot filter. In the editor, open the Add panel and look for the section labeled Other. From there, select reCAPTCHA and add it to your form. HubSpot's reCAPTCHA helps distinguish humans from automated scripts, dramatically cutting down on bot traffic. It's designed to be lightweight, and depending on your form template, it may run in the background or show a quick checkbox challenge only when needed. After adding it, glance at your form preview to confirm it appears as expected. Next, harden your email field. Click the email field on the canvas, then click its edit icon to open field options. Look for the area that lets you specify email domains to block. This is perfect for known disposable email services or repeat offenders. Enter the domains you want to exclude, separated by commas, and keep the list focused so you don't unintentionally block legitimate contacts. This rule prevents submissions when the email's domain matches one you've listed. Right below that, enable the setting to block free email providers. This tells HubSpot to automatically reject addresses from common free mail domains so you can prioritize business contacts. It's especially useful for B2B forms like demo and pricing requests. Keep in mind that this setting can reduce form completion for genuine consumers, so use it strategically on forms where a business email is truly required. With reCAPTCHA in place, targeted domains blocked, and free providers restricted when appropriate, your form now has multiple layers of protection. You'll reduce bot noise and low-quality entries without adding much friction for real visitors. After you've made these changes, keep an eye on submission quality over the next few days. If you notice legitimate users being blocked, refine your domain list or adjust the free provider setting to match your audience. That's it. Simple changes, big impact. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your HubSpot forms clean and your CRM focused on real opportunities.